Wow, a surprise delivery! Another surprise!
Hi guys! So we are going to unbox today something that we received while I'm doing my daily exercise. I'm doing my exercise.
The first
My
day
5
of
minutes
daily.
exercise. And suddenly someone doorbell again and we have a delivery and which we didn't again order. We always receive surprise deliveries nowadays. And I hope next time is a bunch of money.
Who knows, maybe it's a MacBook Pro. New.
Really?
Maybe.
No, I want iPhone.
Maybe it's a box of full of
this
iPhone.
is, Amazon Prime. Social. Yayamanin. And also, I don't know what is this. There is no name from where. This is only to who. This is to Amigo Chinito address, not to me. But he told me to open it. Maybe, I don't know why.
What is it, Kone?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
What is it, Kone?
$1 million!
You're satisfied?
Oh my god!
What is it?
Chan! Guys! I have my rice cooker na after 10 years! Oh my god, I have rice cooker na. Let's open it. Let's see what is inside of this rice cooker. Thank you, Mama Conchi! Mwah!
There's
Te
not Mama
quiero
Conchi.
mucho!
It was my sister, Kone, who bought that.
See? Oh, then, te quiero, sisteret. Muchas gracias. Y Mama Conchi también, ¿no? Mama Conchi también. Tu padre, ¿dónde es mi regalo? Papa Antonio, ¿dónde mi regalo?
Un regalo. Otra Kone.
Guys, this is my gift on my last birthday. In March, right? In March. My birthday was in March and of course we're on lockdown. So, they gave my gift a bit late but of course, nothing is late. It's always perfect. Wow! It's awesome! It's beautiful! Wow! Now I can now make vegetable steam. Yay! And what else is in here? Yes. Perfecto! You have this. This is the most important. Everything is fine. Yes. So, and I have this. This is small only because I'm the only one eating rice. No, he's eating also, but not so much. I'm the one.
I only like
the color as well. I love the color. I love it, Sister Red.
I only
can
like
sleep with it.
I only like fried rice, Kone.
This is my rice cooker. Guys, I have my rice cooker na. I'm not going to cook na in the cacerola. Thank you. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias. Te quiero mucho. So guys, this is my rice cooker. Voila! Que bueno! My first ever rice cooker. Tiny. It's a tiny but enough for me and Amigo Chinito. Cacerola no more.